According to crypto analytics portal WhaleStats, over $6.5 million worth of SHIB was sold by large Ethereum holders in the last 2 days. Despite the big sell-offs, the cryptocurrency's price was down only 6% against the dollar and 3.5% against Bitcoin in the period under review. Today we're going to talk all about what whales are doing with Shiba Inu Coin and what's going on with SHIB in this bloodbath.
Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more SHIB news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments.
Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 30th of November, shall we? On Monday, the meme coin climbed to 2,961 hundred-millionths of a dollar, its best level since January 18th, amid renewed buying interests across the cryptocurrency market. Before the retracement, SHIB's price had crashed by almost 80% from its record high of 8,870 hundred-millionths of a dollar. More cues for a possible SHIB price correction came from three other technical indicators. First, the Shiba Inu token's current upside momentum showed signs of weakening near its 50-day exponential moving average, 50-day EMA, the red wave in the chart below, at around 2,761 hundred-millionths of a dollar. Second, SHIB's ongoing uptrend accompanied lower volumes, i.e. they came out to be nowhere closer to the volumes witnessed during the token's October 2021 price rally that showed scant liquidity in the Shiba Inu market, making it harder for traders to execute buy and sell orders at desired levels. As a result, a lower liquid market tends to witness wider price swings in either direction. Lastly, SHIB's price neared a key pullback level of 3,358 hundred-millionths of a dollar that coincided with the 0.618 fib line of the Fibonacci retracement graph drawn from the 507 hundred-millionths of a dollar swing low to the 7,971 hundred-millionths of a dollar swing high. In conjugation with alarming RSI and RVI ratings, the 3,358 hundred-millionths of a dollar level posed as an ideal de-risk zone for traders looking to secure interim profits. Now let's get back to the topic. The 100th largest ETH whales still own 8 trillion SHIB, equivalent to $73.5 million at the moment, and representing 1.5% of the Shiba Inu token offering. Such numbers make SHIB the third largest asset in this investor group's portfolio after Ethereum of various forms and stablecoins. Overall, the mood around Shiba Inu can now be described as mixed, with the number of favorable and no factors roughly equal. On the one hand, SHIB outperformed Doge last week by almost 30%, beat Solana in market capitalization topped by CoinMarketCap, and finally indicated activity towards Shibarium, the long-awaited Layer 2 solution from Shiba Inu. On the other hand, the price of SHIB is falling and returning to the bottom, with large and medium-sized investors getting rid of positions worth millions of dollars, which puts additional pressure on quotations. Nevertheless, SHIB is still afloat, having managed to hold on during the previous most unpleasant 6 months of the bear market. Perhaps the most interesting thing for Shiba Inu is only starting. Another good news is that Shiba Inu has been revealed to be the second largest holding of users of Crypto.com. The crypto exchange, which is one of the leading trading venues for retail crypto investors, shared new details of its reserve that show that SHIB makes up 20% of users' funds held on the exchange. This put the value of SHIB held by the exchange at about $540 million of Crypto.com's over $2.7 billion worth of token holdings, according to the Nansen dashboard the exchange put together. Bitcoin emerged as the biggest reserve asset of the exchange at 31.19%, while Ether came third, accounting for 16.97% of the exchange's reserve. In a tweet, Crypto.com CEO Chris Marszalek said that the exchange will disclose a more detailed audited breakdown of its reserve that will confirm the full one-to-one backing of customers' assets. Please expect a full audited proof of reserves from us in the next couple of weeks, confirming the full one-to-one reserve of all customer assets, he wrote. The disclosure is coming after the exchange promised users more transparency in the wake of FTX going bankrupt. Marszalek also assured users that Crypto.com's exposure to FTX was less than $10 million, a figure he considers to be very little compared to our global revenues surpassing $1 billion for 2 consecutive years. In a similar move, the largest exchange by trading volume, Binance, has also published its cold wallet addresses. Binance's CEO, Changpeng Zhao, has advised market participants on signs of trouble to watch out for at crypto firms. How high can SHIB climb with such strong investor confidence? The Crypto.com revelation of huge SHIB reserve holdings has not played out to be bullish for the Ethereum-based Dogecoin competitor. Per data from CoinMarketCap, the price of SHIB has fallen 3% in the last 24 hours to currently be trading at around 96 millionths of a dollar. This price is notably an about 89.1% drop from the all-time high price of 87 millionths of a dollar reached over a year ago in October 2021. Regardless, SHIB proponents have remained long-term confident of the potential of the token to surpass a price tag of $1 and even reach $5. This is because of the rapidly evolving Shiba Inu ecosystem that includes a highly anticipated metaverse in the works, growing adoption as an accepted method of payment, and token burns that are reducing the circulating supply of the token. Another good news is that SHIB is up 30% against Doge on the back of Shiba news. Shiba Inu has been significantly outperforming Dogecoin for the past 7 days, with SHIB up 30% against Doge. After the main crypto market's meme coin saw a rise of more than 120% in late October, the price of SHIB has also begun to rise, but less extensively than its competitor. The Shiba Inu token then rose 17.3% for the week, while Dogecoin closed the weekly candle in the positive by 95%. At the same time, against Doge, SHIB was down 39.83% according to Binance. The situation started to change on Wednesday, November 2nd. The chart below shows an obvious break in the trend, which could be considered a correction to the downtrend, but the SHIB price against Doge has already recovered by more than a third, which is also a signal of a shift. What's also interesting is that the recent collapse of the crypto market caused by the insolvency of major exchange FTX has further strengthened Shiba Inu's position against Dogecoin. When the price of Doge fell by 29.6%, the price of SHIB fell by only 18.7%. In doing so, SHIB managed to overtake Solana in terms of market capitalization, which seemed almost impossible a week ago. In the same period, new details about the long-awaited Layer 2 protocol, Shibarium, began to emerge, with direct reports from the developers involved. It has been said that Shibarium, which was originally supposed to be released later this year, is in alpha testing, while all of the attention of the Shiba Inu and Unification development team following the release of Shiba Eternity is focused directly on it.
Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!